The Central Drug Standard Control Organization, commonly known as CDSCO, is India's national regulatory authority for drugs, medical devices, cosmetics, and certain biological products. Functioning under the Directorate General of Health Services (DGHS), Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India CDSCO is responsible for ensuring that medicines available in the country are safe, effective, and of high quality. The organization is headed by the Drugs Controller General of India (DCGI). Let's first understand how CDSCO came into existence. Before 1940, India did not have a unified system to regulate medicines. Different regions followed different standards, leading to the circulation of substandard and adulterated drugs. To establish a uniform regulatory framework, the Government of India enacted the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940. This landmark legislation became the legal foundation for regulating the import, manufacture, distribution, and sale of drugs and cosmetics across the country. To support the implementation of the Act, the Drugs and Cosmetics Rules 1945 were introduced. These rules defined licensing procedures, manufacturing standards, quality control measures, labeling requirements, inspections, and enforcement mechanisms. As India's pharmaceutical industry expanded after independence, CDSCO evolved into the country's apex drug regulatory authority. Today, it regulates pharmaceuticals, vaccines, biological products, blood products, cosmetics, and notified medical devices while ensuring the protection of public health. Now let's understand the organizational structure of CDSCO. The organization is headed by the Drugs Controller General of India or DCGI, who is responsible for approving new drugs, granting permission for clinical trials, regulating medical devices, and implementing national drug policies. Supporting the DCGI are Joint Drugs Controllers, Deputy Drugs Controllers, Assistant Drugs Controllers, Drug Inspectors, Medical Device Officers, Scientists, Pharmacists, and administrative personnel who collectively manage India's drug regulatory system. CDSCO is headquartered at FDA Bhavan, Kotla Road, New Delhi. Across the country, it operates through 6 zonal offices, 4 sub-zonal offices, 13 port offices, and 7 central drug testing laboratories. These offices work in coordination with state drug control departments to ensure effective implementation of drug regulations. The zonal offices supervise regulatory activities within their respective regions, while the sub-zonal offices support inspections and enforcement. Port officers regulate the import of drugs, medical devices, and cosmetics through airports and seaports. The central drug testing laboratories analyze drug samples to verify their quality, purity, strength, and compliance with prescribed standards before and after they enter the market. Now let's discuss the major functions of CDSCO. One of the primary responsibilities of CDSCO is the approval of new drugs. Before a medicine can be marketed in India, CDSCO carefully reviews preclinical studies, clinical trial data, manufacturing information, and quality documents to ensure that the product is safe, effective, and of acceptable quality. Another important function is the approval and regulation of clinical trials. CDSCO evaluates clinical trial applications to ensure that studies involving human participants are conducted ethically, scientifically, and in accordance with regulatory requirements. CDSCO also regulates the import of drugs, vaccines, biological products, cosmetics, and medical devices, ensuring that imported products comply with Indian safety and quality standards. The organization plays a key role in regulating medical devices, including implants, diagnostic kits, imaging equipment, and in vitro diagnostic devices. It evaluates these products before granting market approval. Another critical responsibility is pharmacovigilance. Working with the Pharmacovigilance Program of India, PvPI, CDSCO continuously monitors the safety of medicines after they reach the market. If significant safety concerns arise, it can issue safety alerts, update prescribing information, restrict product use, or withdraw products from the market. In addition, CDSCO conducts inspections of pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities, ensures compliance with good manufacturing practices (GMP), issues regulatory guidelines, coordinates with state drug control authorities, and collaborates with international organizations to strengthen India's regulatory framework. CDSCO is the backbone of India's pharmaceutical regulatory system. Its extensive network of 6 zonal offices, 4 sub-zonal offices, 13 port offices, and 7 central drug testing laboratories reflects its crucial role in protecting public health and maintaining confidence in India's healthcare system.
empowering future pharma professionals. Stay ahead with the latest insights and innovations. Subscribe to M.Pharm Global today.